right, Mafia fam, so look, today makes 3 weeks out exactly from Miami Nationals 2019. It's gonna be my first national show. We're at Covington Athletic Club. Our boy Joe letting us come get it in on Saturdays for free now. So even if you're not in the area, you're not a member, come out on Saturdays, come check it out, come join the family. It's Mafia approved. But look, we're about to go kill this chest and shoulder workout. So take a ride with us and let's see what we got. So look, it's chest and shoulder day. I always like to do back, some pull-ups every day pretty much, just to stretch everything out, get a little bit loosened up. But we're supersetting chest and shoulders all day long. So literally, if you want a great pump, follow this workout, tag us, comment, let us know what you think, and let's go. Time to get it. Telling y'all, we about to get it in today. We're 3 weeks out, we coming. And I promise you, we're not slowing down. If not, we finishing harder than we started. And regardless of the outcome, people gonna know who Fitness Mafia is on November 23rd. Let's go. Yeah, that's one thing. If you're not grinding and struggling through your reps, you're making the workout too easy. All right, so I want you to have to struggle to get through your sets. Now, don't do too heavy to where you're only doing 1 or 2 reps, but I want the last 3 or 4 reps to know that you got to work for it. So keep following the workout. Let's stay working hard. Let's go. Stay with this, man. Alright guys, so look, you'll see we started doing a couple force reps and then crazy drop set. We just took off 1 plate on each side as we went down. Now we're down to 2 plates. Let's go. Alright guys, so look, we finished up with the first compound movement. Now we're about to do a little hammer strength movement, and we're also going to have a shoulder press movement as well. So look, another thing, if you're not training and you're not drinking water throughout your workout, and you're not feeling like you're getting a pump, try drinking some water throughout your workout and watch the difference. Let's go. And the main thing with this, as well as every other exercise, make sure you're not just going through the motion. You want to press to the top, squeeze, pump blood into that muscle, and then slow, nice and controlled negative. So if you're just pressing through and you're wondering why you're not actually getting a pump or you're not actually feeling that specific muscle you're trying to target, slow down a little bit, throw your ego out the door, and watch the results come. So check out the superset.
Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and living hilltop bosses driving 50 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs go cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just wanna hang out in the blues bars.
Now we're about to continue to do sets, working up in weight every single round, and then you already know what's coming at the very top set, Drop Set City, baby. So let's go.
Du hast mich. Du hast mich.
All right, baby, so look, we're almost to the top set, and we're almost on our way to Drop Set City. And look, Drop Set City's not for everybody, so make sure you put your seatbelt on, buckle up, look both ways before you cross the road, and be ready for a major pump, baby. Look, another way to get 10% closer to your goals, I'll give y'all a tip. Re-rack your weights. A little out of breath. But look, this is first 3 exercises and we're already breaking a crazy sweat. So like I said, if the intensity isn't there, 1, you're not gonna catch a pump, 2, you're not gonna get a good workout. So every time you come in here, you have to have a workout, you have to have a purpose driven behind it. So we just finished the drop set in the first exercise, and now we're about to do our drop set series. So.
You don't even need your music in here.
Alright guys, so look, we just finished up the second workout, superset. Now we're about to move on to a third circuit, hit a superset. So y'all follow along, y'all check it out, let's go. Alright, so look, I know we already hit this, but we hit it facing forward. Now we're about to do a reverse. We're gonna hit this standing reverse thrust. We're gonna superset with cable fly, so check it out. And just like everything else, y'all, we're just gonna keep bouncing in and out. Each set, keep going up in weight. Once you hit the top set, do a couple working sets with that, and then drop set city, baby. Let's keep that pump going. Hey, that's how drop set city's done. You don't take no breaks in between drop sets. As soon as you're done hitting that set, take the weight off, hop right back into it. Now we're about to do our drop set on our super set. Let's go.
I'll put this one down next time.
So as you'll see, instead of using barbell for the upright rows, I like using the dumbbells because I can alternate my hands a little bit better. But now we're about to superset that with this chest variation. And it's a dip machine, so you can use it for chest or you can use it for tricep. So what you want to do here, instead of staying upright, and keeping the grips close. They're separated a little bit wider. And we're gonna lean down, face down, and it's gonna open up our chest. Squeeze that chest. 1, 2. Look, you ain't hurt, you ain't working, man. Let's go. Get in here, babe.
You're gonna explode.
Stop. All right, guys. So look, we're finishing up one our super set. We just did our drop set on the first exercise you'll see. Now we're about to do the top set here, and then we'll get into the drop set. Here we'll skip a plate, going down to the lightest weight. Get some angles, right? Last drops. Keep going. Get in the front.